Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the iQOO 7 Legend versus iQOO 7 device. Which phone is the best option to buy during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale? And this is one of the questions which I'm getting from plenty of users, not one, not two. I think I did get a lot of comments regarding this one, asking me to exactly explain which phone is the best value for the price. That's what I'm going to exactly talk in this video. And in case if you're planning to buy one of the smartphone or any other product from the Amazon, make sure to use my links in description to buy it. And right now in the Amazon, it's showing about 26,990 for the iQOO 7 price, and the iQOO 7 Legend is showing about 36,990, as you can see. So at this moment, depending on the price right now, there's a difference of close to 10,000 difference is there between these both phones. So for 10,000 difference, is it worth to spend on the iQOO 7 Legend? But if the iQOO 7 Legend price comes down to 29,999, so then it makes a lot of sense to buy the iQOO 7 Legend. If the price of the iQOO 7 Legend has got close to 36,999 or maybe somewhere around 34,000, then maybe not. So depending upon the price, only try to decide right now, friends, because anyway the iQOO 7 Legend has got the Snapdragon 888 processor. Absolutely yes, Snapdragon 888, you'll get the really good performance. I mean high Antutu benchmark score and high Geek benchmark score. But one thing, the Snapdragon 870 is really good. It's also really optimized for better battery backup and better performance. This has got the really good balance between both. I mean, performance is really not compromised, and even the battery is also not compromised. That's what the balance of this Snapdragon 870 chipset is. So in the Snapdragon 888 processor, we did see a couple of heating problems in other phones. Few other phones also have the Snapdragon 888 processor, but there are a couple of heating issues. But I'm not sure about this iQOO 7 Legend has got any kind of heating issues or not. But I did see a couple of comments saying not about the heating problem at all. But I'm not sure, friends, at this moment. But overall, final thing is that if the price of the iQOO 7 Legend comes close to 31,000, 32,000, somewhere around that, maybe. If the difference is only close to 6,000 or 5,000, then it makes sense to buy the Legend model. If the difference is close to 10,000, nah. So you can better buy the iQOO 7 model at this moment during the Amazon Great Indian Sale. Apart from that, there's a difference of battery capacity. 4,000 mAh of battery capacity in the iQOO 7 Legend, so slightly less battery backup you're getting, and charging speed is quite good, not bad. But apart from that, there's not a major differences between these both phones. So 4,400 mAh of battery capacity in the iQOO 7 device, so slightly better battery backup and slightly kind of less heating issues. So maybe the performance wise, the iQOO 7 will be the slightly better option for that price, 26,990. That's what my opinion, friends, after using this iQOO 7 device for a long time. That's what I did learn. And in case if the iQOO 7 Legend, the price decreases even more further, if it comes truly as 29,999, as mentioned before, if it's not a glitch, then you can buy the iQOO 7 Legend if the price comes to 29,999. So let's wait for the price to be revealed. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. I'll let you check the price today midnight 12 AM. So make sure to stay tuned for those price listings as well. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. And this is the final comparison between both phones. So only performance and the battery, apart from that, everything is quite similar. Thank you for watching, and use my links in the description to buy any of the products from the Amazon, and do support me. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.